Welcome back, everyone. Packing for that summer vacation, you could end up with too much in your suitcase. Dani is here giving us a few tips to avoid lugging a big bag around, and I'm so guilty of this. You know, I usually have all of these outfits, and by the end of the vacation, I'm like, I didn't get to wear these 3-4 things.
Exactly. Though I've read some travel blogs that say pack and then take out 1 or 2 things. But how do you know what to take out, and how do you make it stress-free?
So where do you start?
Yeah, so this system makes it really easy. Okay, you not only look great for your photo opportunities, but you're also lugging around a lot less stuff. So here's how we start. We're going to start
here, right?
With an inspiration piece. So this is something that has a pattern to it, ideally, that has a couple of different colors. This is going to inspire the color scheme for this cluster, is what we call it. So we've got red, white, and blue. It's 4th of July
I like
weekend,
that theme.
right?
All right. Yes.
So we're going to start with one inspiration piece. It can be a shirt, it can be a scarf, it could be Betty Boop on the back of a denim jacket. Like whatever kind of makes your heart sing.
You're like, I need to wear this on vacation. This is it. So then you get excited about that one piece.
Yeah.
And then you say this, now that builds the 7 to 8 outfits.
Right, 7 to 8 pieces.
8 pieces for the day.
So we want 3 to 4 tops. So here we've got the button-up shirt, kind of the flounce sleeve top, a Henley, and a jacket. So we have those 4 tops. And then we're gonna have at least 2 bottoms, and I've added a dress.
Well, you're staying within the color scheme.
Exactly. So you're gonna, when you're trying to decide, oh, should I take this? Look at that inspiration piece. Does it work with the color scheme and the inspiration piece?
Well, this is so smart because then that inspires the jewelry and the shoes.
Right.
And you know that all of those pieces will then go with the corresponding outfits.
Exactly. And keep in mind that none of these pieces are exactly alike. They're all distinctly different. So you have a 3rd layer piece if it gets cold, right? You have a lighter weight piece if it gets really hot. These are denim, but they're a lighter weight denim and they're flowy, so they're great for warmer weather. We've got a little bit heavier denim if it gets cool. And then of course we've got the sundress. So you have tons of options within just 7 pieces. And I have put together at least a dozen looks with just 7 pieces.
Looks. So 7 pieces creates a dozen looks. So you could conceivably go for 12 days on your trip.
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
you're mixing and matching.
Absolutely.
But don't think of the days, is what you're saying. Think of the outfit.
Yeah, and just think, if you take the number of pieces and multiply it by 2 or 3, if you do it well, if you plan it well, then you're going to come up with enough pieces for your days. So I can get all of this in this little suitcase and also throw in my workout clothes, and I'm good.
And a swimsuit. Don't forget the swimsuit.
Yeah, and a swimsuit.
I mean, it's wonderful when you can go on vacation 7 to 10 days in one carrying case.
Oh yeah, you just put it in your overhead. You don't have to wait for baggage. You get to the airport and already you're ready for photo ops and exploring. You're not sitting waiting for a
Lastly, you can put 2 shoes.
Oh yeah, at least, accessories are super important. You want them to be comfortable, right? And versatile. So again, I'm going with that color scheme from that original piece and doing navy sneakers, and then the brown shoes that go with the brown buttons.
And everything here. Oh my gosh, Dani, this is so smart. Go to, where do we find you on Instagram?
Style by Dani, the girl on Instagram. But if you go to my blog on stylebydani.com, it will have the system listed, steps 1 through 7, so that you can do this when you pack for your next vacation.
Oh, excellent. And I'm heading out tomorrow, so I'm going to re-look at my suitcase and my packing. All right, tonight. Now that we know how to pack, let's toss things over to Nisha and Reagan.
Thank you so much, Saray. Well, hitting the road.